In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to build a free website to sell your digital products. And so you can create this website in 3 simple steps. I'll first show you how to set up the website. Then I'll walk you through how to list your digital products. Lastly, I'll show you how to sell your digital products. So if you're ready to make good money with digital products, let's hop into it. You're first going to head over to fourthwall.com. It's going to take you to this page. And so we're going to click the button that says Start Now. From there, you have the option of creating an account with Google, Apple, or email. I'm personally going to go with the email option to get signed up. Once we enter in our email and password, it's going to ask us a few questions. So first it says, what best describes you? Are we a content creator, group, individual, business, artist, or agency? Choose the one that works best for you. I'm going to choose content creator. Now it's going to ask for our name. Then it's going to ask us for our social media accounts. I'll explain a little bit later, but you really want to do this step. Once you fill it out, you're going to hit continue. And so in just a matter of a few clicks, we now have the foundation of our website. And so Fourth Wall is letting us know that the first step is to create your first product. And so what's great about Fourth Wall is that in addition to digital products, you can also sell physical products. What's even better is that on Fourth Wall, they handle the customer service and they handle the shipping. And they're doing all of this free of charge, which makes it look a lot better than some of the other competitors that are charging a setup fee or a monthly fee. With Fourth Wall, it's completely free. For now, let's move on. But let me know in the comments below if you want a specific tutorial on how to list physical products on Fourth Wall. So for step 2, it's asking us to customize the look of the site. So let's click Customize Site to add some personality to this website. And so the first question it asks is, what do you want your homepage to feature? Do you want it to feature the announcement bar, image banner, featured collection, featured product, or other options below? And so if you want to know what each of these options are, all you have to do is move this section header to the bottom of your page. And so the announcement bar is going to be at the top of your website. And so it's this black bar here that says join now for exclusive deals and updates. And so you would want to include your promos or any discounts that you're running on the announcement bar. Next, we have the image banner. So this is the main page where they can then explore the collection. One more option that I will check is newsletter, because you do want a way to collect emails so that you can talk and engage with your customers. And so we have the announcement bar, featured collection, and newsletter set up and ready to go. But feel free to add any additional options. So now we're going to hit continue and move on to the next step. And I personally really like that Fourth Wall offers a color palette as well as chosen fonts, as it helps me not get overloaded by all the choices available. And so that's a really nice benefit of getting a free website set up with Fourth Wall. For now, we're going to go with a simple white and black design. Next, we have the font pairing. And so Momentum Extended and Cabin look like a really good fit for my design. And so now that I've chosen the color and font, and I'm good with my name being the logo, let's click Finish. And so now we're on to the layout, style, pages, and theme of the website. ChatGPT is a great resource for any of the website text that we'll need to add. We can also set a countdown. And so some of the holidays coming up include Labor Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. And so feel free to run holiday sales. And so Fourth Wall does give you quite a few options when customizing your own store. You can also make the announcement bar clickable so that it goes directly to your digital product. For now, we do need to list our digital products, so we'll uncheck this. But once we list the digital product, we can easily come back to this page. Moving on to style. So we can add a logo as well as a favicon. A favicon is what shows up in the left-hand corner. You can also add your own colors as well as upload a background image. We can also change the corner radius for the buttons and image. Just to show you what it looks like, here is rounded corners. Feel free to customize it to your liking. Let's move on to pages. And so if you do want an About Me page, you want to make sure that's on the same page as your digital products, because the goal is for them to buy your digital products, and we don't want customers looking at different pages or going to your social media accounts. And so I would personally recommend that you stick with the home and browse all page when creating your own website. And so within the add section, you can add text. You can add an image with text, a video banner, a links list, a video, an image, and an image banner for layout. And then within shop, we can add a featured collection, a collections list, or a featured product. For now, let's remove the featured collection because we're just selling one product. So I'm going to click within it and then delete section. And so next, I do want to move the newsletter below the featured product, just so the featured product can stand out and be at the top of the page. And so Fourth Wall has automatically entered in their own template for all of the policies. And if you do see that you need to make changes, ChatGPT can easily help you. Moving on to the checkout page. And so you can change the layout. It can be light or dark themed. I personally am going to go with the light theme, but you do have that option. You do want to enable email marketing so that you can reach out to your customers, whether that's to promote new products or respond to any questions or concerns. buttons. But there you have the checkout page. Lastly, we have the theme. And so right now we're using the clean frame theme. If you want to change or update your theme, you can. And so they have the modern vivid option here, which looks nice and sleek. They have the bold minimalist, they have the digital throwback, and the lively classic. So feel free to go through these themes and choose the one that works best for you. Once you're done designing the layout of your website, you can click save in the upper right hand corner. Once you do so, you're then going to click the fourth wall logo in the upper left hand corner. It's going to take you right back to this page. It's now time to list our digital products. And so you're first going to click products and then click the create new product button. Lastly, you're going to select sell digital product. It's going to take you to this page right here. And at the top of the page, it's going to include the link that will take your customer directly to this product. And so for the product name, we're going to say how to start an LLC and win grants guide. We're now going to head over to ChatGPT to write a description of this digital product. And so to write your digital product description, you can use this pre-made ChatGPT prompt. If you want to use it for yourself, you can just click the link in the description below. And so in a matter of seconds, ChatGPT has written a product description for us. I'm going to click this copy button to the left and then paste it into the product description. I'm then going to read through the description to make sure that everything looks good. For the product category, I'm going to go with ebook. I'm going to click media, then books, and then ebook. And so we will need to factor in sales tax when we sell our digital products. And so we're going to change the selling price to $20. Out of that $20, we will make $19.40, as Fourth Wall does take 3% of your digital product sales. To me, this is really good, as other platforms take a much higher percentage. Next is asking us to upload our digital product. So let's quickly head over to Canva. So here we have the How to Start an LLC and Win Grants ebook. If you want a step-by-step on how to create an ebook for yourself, let me know in the comments below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click share in the upper right hand corner, and I want to download this file as PDF standard, as this is the best file type for sharing ebooks online. The file is now downloaded on my desktop. I'm going to drag and drop the file from my desktop over to Fourth Wall. One thing you should know is that it does show a file max. It does say 1 gigabyte. So you do want to make sure if you have a really big file, it fits within the upload limits. Now it's asking for the product photography. And so within the recommended sizing, it says they want a 3:4 aspect ratio with at least 600 pixels wide. So let's head back over to Canva with that in mind. And I will let you know I am changing my digital product mockups, but this is what I got for right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the upper left hand corner to resize. If you don't have Canva, I believe they're running a 14-day trial, but you do want to utilize that free subscription to be able to resize your images. And so you're going to go to custom size. We're going to change this to 600 by 800 pixels, and we only want to update this first page. And then we're going to hit done, and we're going to click copy and resize, as it will only resize this one image. And so it's going to take a moment to load, and we're going to click open 600 by 800 pixels. And so we can feel free to resize this as we need. Now I'm going to go to position and then center. I'm going to change this to the title of the digital product. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. So we're going to just update the formatting to deal with the updated sizing. And so this pink line that shows up just shows you that the text is in the center. And so once that shows up, we're good to go. And so now that it looks good and it's the proper size, I'm going to download this as a JPEG. I'm going to move the quality to 100%, and then I'm going to download this file. Traditionally, JPEG files are smaller than PNGs because it's best for sharing, but feel free to use the format that works best for you. And so once that downloads, I'm going to upload the file. And so just to recap, we have the product name, we have the product description, we have the product category listed under ebooks, we have the price set at $20, we have the file uploaded, and we have our product photography. And so when it comes to the inventory of this digital product, we do have it set to unlimited, but feel free to change this. If we want to further customize our product link, we do have that option. So we can go to change URL, and then I can call this how to start LLC and win grants guide, and then we'll update it. And so once everything looks good, we can now make the product public, which means it's going to be available to everybody, and then hit save. So if we click this link, it's going to take us to this page right here. So we have the product mockup on the left, and then we have a description of the product on the right. And once the customer reads through everything, they can easily select add to cart and then proceed to check out. And so now we have successfully listed our first digital product. Feel free to do this with the other digital products that you have. And so going back to our home base, we can easily keep track of how our store is doing. We have the home tab, orders tab to see any orders that come through. We can click to see all of our products, both digital and physical. We can run promotions on our website. We can go back and change the site design. We can look at the analytics, and a great way to do that is by connecting it to our Google Analytics account. They also have reports for us to look at, like average order value, customers over time, and sales over time. And so it's really nice that Fourth Wall has this listed out clearly so that we don't have to hunt and look for the numbers. And so we can change the date range as well as how the data is grouped. And we can also integrate with apps. And so when it comes to selling your digital products on Fourth Wall, you do want to connect your Fourth Wall website to your social media pages. And so it connects with YouTube, it connects with X, both your TikTok feed and your TikTok shop. This is a great way to get influencers to sell your digital products and get an affiliate commission for that sale. And so connecting your social media page to Fourth Wall is a great way to sell your products without having to pay an additional cost. In my opinion, the best way to sell your digital products is through your social media accounts. Let me quickly show you how you can connect your Fourth Wall website to YouTube. You first need to go to YouTube Studios. Then you're going to click the Earn section. It's going to take you straight to the overview page. The page that you want to be on is the shopping page. You're then going to scroll down and add a store. Because I already have a store connected to my YouTube channel, I'll need to click add another store. It's then going to give me some options to choose from. I have Fourth Wall, Shopline, Shopify, Spreadshop, Spring, TeePublic, and Wix. What I want to connect my YouTube channel to is Fourth Wall. So I'm going to click select. I'm then going to read through these policies. I'm going to hit agree and then hit accept. It's then going to take me to the Fourth Wall page where I do need to connect my YouTube product shelf to my YouTube channel. And so there's a how-to tutorial video that walks you through the exact steps you need to do. You just need 500 subscribers. And so this is a great way to make sales early on as a new YouTuber. Just to recap, it says it can take up to 24 hours to connect your Fourth Wall account to YouTube. And so once your store is connected, you then want to turn on the display products on your channel setting. And so all you have to do is click this button. It'll then let you create your own selection. And so the way you can get more sales in your business is to tag products that you specifically mentioned in your video. If you'd like me to give a tutorial on how to connect Fourth Wall to other social media platforms, let me know in the comments below. And so it's very important that you talk about your products in your content and then tell your audience exactly where they can go to buy the product. And with connecting your Fourth Wall website, your customer does not have to go far. And so this is a great way to sell your digital products without having to pay any money whatsoever. And as a recap, the 4 tools we use include YouTube, which is free, Fourth Wall, which is free, Canva, which offers a free 14-day trial, and ChatGPT has a free version as well. And so this is the simple 3-step process that you can do to make money online without paying any money upfront. Now that you have a free website, it's time to open up your business bank account, and you can find the best one by watching this video right here.